Will I ever be able to play sports again? With our approach, we've gotten a lot of people back and able to, do the things that they love to do, ranging from motocross. We've worked with close to 25 professional supercross riders. In addition, we've worked with a lot of hockey players. So being here in Minnesota, we've worked with, hundreds of, college and also high school players, and close to around 80 NHL players. And a lot of them come to see us with concussions and injuries, and we get them back playing again, but we get them back playing again safely in coordination with their team and other providers that they might be working with. Hi, I'm Dr. Jeremy Schmoe, founder of the Functional Neurology Center in Minnetonka, Minnesota. We work with patients with unresolved post-concussion symptoms and other complex neurological issues. Our approach to complicated neurological issues is very different from other clinics. We use the latest technologies and a combination of functional neurology, functional medicine, and chiropractic care to get to the root cause of what is causing your problems. With this approach, we're able to get you back to optimum function and get you doing the things that you love to do. Will I ever be able to play sports again? So with our approach, not only are we going to work on getting you symptom-free, but we're going to work on performance and optimization to be able to get you back even better than where you were before, and then teach you all the tools to know if you're off so you can make better educated decisions on if you should even be playing or getting back into the game. But our approach is we want to get you playing again in a safe way, and we're going to do it very objective with our data. There is hope. There are answers. Click the link you see with this video to schedule a consultation with my office today.